Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you what you should do before first start of the cycle in Whirlpool dryer FFT. So if you get your appliance and you want to start your first cycle, you have to be sure that you connected properly the device to the water outlet and the electricity. You have to be sure that the appliance stay in the place where the temperature is between 5 to 35 degrees of Celsius. And the last thing, before the first start, you have to be sure that the appliance standing in the stable position for 6 hours after the delivery. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.